friends, again we have come here to do a debate on the topic of online class versus offline. So this team is in favor of offline classes or this team is in favor of online classes. So let's see what sort of points are just going to be put. My viewers, you are just being besought to just embolden or bolster the efforts of my students with your good comments. Please judge them and listen to their points. Having listened to their points, jump into the conclusion and say that which team has won. You can just leave your comment in the comment box. And thank you so much for watching. Keep watching until it gets finished. It is just going to be more captivating or enthralling. And these students are more incandescent after listening. Whenever they are called, they are very excited and hyperventilated. But they are very excited to just do the debate. And they have a whale of time. Or right now, some of the students are new here. So they must be feeling that they are on pins and needles. But don't worry, they are also going to become confident. You must have seen that, okay, Sejal is here and Fiza is here. These two students are new, clear? So now, before the debate gets started, first of all, I would like each and every person to give his or her introduction. Yes.
So
Tushar.
very aristocratic morning to one and all present here. This is Tushar Jagwan here. I belong to Uttarakhand and I am pursuing bachelor's in computer application.
Yes, Sejal.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. I am Sejal. I am belong to Delhi and I am pursuing BCom honors.
Yes.
Hello everyone, this is Manish Kumar. I belong to Delhi and I am pursuing for my BTech from Delhi Technical Campus.
A warm good morning to one and all. My name is Aisha Khan. I live in Delhi. Basically, I belong to Rajasthan and I am graduate. Thank you.
Yes. Akshata.
A very glorious good morning to one and all. Hi, this is Akshita Kakure in front of you and I'm pursuing BCom honors. I currently am staying in Delhi and I belong to you. Thank you.
A very warm and fantastic good morning to one and all. My name is Monica Maheshwari. I belong to UP but recently I am living in Delhi. I am pursuing BA English Honours from IPU University.
Hello, good morning everyone. I am Fiza Abbasi. I belong to Delhi and I am pursuing BCom.
I belong to her.
I belong to Delhi and I am pursuing BCom and BA Honours in German language. Thank you.
Oh, well done, well done. So now we are about to start the debate. So yes, first Tushar is going to put his points. Yes, Tushar, go ahead.
So once again a very good morning to one and all. So today my team is in favor of offline learning. According to me, offline learning is very much better in comparison to the online learning. Why I am saying this, there are different points. First of all, there is an interaction between the student and the teacher. Whenever you see here in the online classes, the student just gets up, he wakes up and just suddenly he goes and joins the link and gets through the online classes. And he is not able to interact with the teacher. The teacher is not able to know that what the student is doing behind the camera because he can have lots of issues like the camera issues or like the internet connectivity and etc. But in the offline classes, the teacher can keep an eye on that student and each and every student, whoever is present in the class, so that the discipline and decorum of the class can be maintained.
Yes.
Second point, it helps to clarify the mistakes of the students. Whenever you see in the online classes, due to the network connectivity issues and various issues, the student is not able to just put up his points or views or like his doubts or her doubts, whatever is coming inside of her mind or his mind. But in the offline classes, there is nothing like that. The student, if having a doubt, can just raise his or her hands and at the very same time, he can clarify his or her doubts. That's a very plus point offline classes have. The third point is like that there are different subjects, different courses where only the offline classes can prevail. Such as I would like to give example in the laboratories and other activities, the biological activities. They require physically you need to be present over there because you need to have practicality over there. Practical works are given more emphasis in the offline class, in those activities. Like you have to learn how to fly a plane. So by sitting at home or by watching through online platform, you cannot learn how to fly an aeroplane. But just you need to just go there, practically you need to just understand all the features and then you can learn. So here some of the courses are there where offline classes or practically you need to be there physically. So these are the points I would like to say in the favor of offline learning. Thank you.
Yes. Absolutely. Well done.
Alright. So we all are accumulated here. We are knowing that we are having the debate on the topic online versus offline classes and we are favoring online classes. So I want to say that online classes are the classes which are mostly based on electronically based devices. And it is a combination of recorded videos, live session and the audios. So online classes are far better than offline classes. Nowadays, now it is very much prevalent in this pandemic also that online classes has been initiated more as compared have been initiated more as compared to the offline classes. There are tremendous of there are tremendous of benefits of offline classes. Sorry, online classes. The very first point I want to say that online classes are more convenient and efficient to go on. Here, one can just take the classes, one can just learn any skill by just sitting at their home in a very splendid manner. Second point which I want to say, it is cost effective, which means here we are, if we compare the situation of offline classes and online classes, in offline classes there are so much of costs which are added, such as transportation cost is there, and the very first cost is real estate cost. We also know that if we are just having physical classes, so you need a spacious thing. So you have to just invest so much of money in purchasing the land. But this much of scenario isn't there in online classes. Online classes can easily be done in a very convenient manner by just sitting at home. The very important point which I want to say, here we all are busy, as we know that we are having our busy schedules. So in online classes, this very important benefit that I feel that calls and lectures can be recorded. Means the lectures can be recorded, shared, archived in your future preference, whenever you need it. There are thousands of examples of online classes are there, such as Unacademy, Byju, YouTube, and through this medium we are just learning so many things. So these are the few benefits of online classes, and this is proving that online classes are far better than offline one.
Yes. Aisha, go ahead.
Everything easy when we are busy. Nothing is easy when we are lazy. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Good morning, one and all who is presenting here. My name is
Whoever
Aisha.
is present here.
Who is present here? My name is Aisha, and today I am in the favor of offline classes, which is, I believe, it is far better than the online classes. So like I don't think there I need to give any kind of introduction about the offline classes, because it has been getting followed for a long period of time throughout the whole world. Right here, if like we all are sitting here and we all are belong to offline classes as well as, if we are telling this thing that offline classes is not good, that means indirectly or directly we are considering this thing that we are whatever, like what kind of education we are having, that is also frivolous. It has no sense because we also from that background. Okay, so here there are lots of example I would like to give you here. First example is like punctuality. As everyone acquainted with this thing, punctuality is a very main point, and it plays a very most important point in our day-to-day life. So from where we are learning punctuality at our school time, because when we are going at this school, at that time there is a particular time that you have to reach at your school at that time. Otherwise, if
reach your school.
Reach your school at that particular time, because if you are coming late, so you can be punished. At any kind of punishment can be given to you by your teacher.
Very good.
So for maintaining your reputation in front of your student, in front of your companion or classroom, you have to become on time. So this thing teach you that what is the value of punctuality. And the other thing I would like to say, that is a extra curriculum activity as well as, which is, I don't think that it is possible in offline class, like online classes anyhow, it is not possible. Extra curriculum activity, like there are, for example, like
co-curricular activities.
Co-curriculum activity, like game period is there, drawing period is there, singing, and lots of things are there.
Lots of activities are there.
Yeah, lots of activities are there which can be done through the extracurricular activity. Like at the time of, you can say, if there is any kind of function in our school at that time, we are handling each and everything. That means a responsibility is there. We are taking care of the responsibility, and somewhere we are learning that how responsibility is important, how we can give our best, or how we can learn these things. So yeah, that was my point about the
these were my points.
These were my points.
Yes, Monica, go ahead.
Alright. So where there is a light, there is a hardware. A supercalifragilisticexpialidocious good morning to all my dear guys, to all. Sorry.
Go ahead.
Alright. Where there is a hard work, there is a light. A supercalifragilisticexpialidocious good morning, guys. As you all are acquainted with my name, so I am in the favor of online classes. So firstly, I would like to share you this thing, that what is online class. Online class is a combination of video recording and lectures through which you can just do the things according to your time, according to your perspective. So somewhere, as my dearest friend already told you the benefits of online classes, and I would also like to tell you what are the benefits of online classes, why online classes are better than offline classes. So first thing, that online classes is a visual classes. Like you can stay at your home, you can record your lectures, calls and everything, and you can watch that lecture whenever you got free. At your exams time too.
You get free.
You get free at your exams time too. Like it is that type of thing. It is very.
It is very.
Alright. So it is cost effective and time saving too. Like the time which we are spending while going to the institution, while going to attend the classes, while going to the schools. Like a lot of colleges are here which are far away from our distance. Like my college is in Rohini, so I have to reach Rohini somewhere. I'm just I can able to save my time very easily.
I can save my time.
I can save my time very easily, as I don't have to go to Rohini for just getting my education done, because I am getting my education with the help of online classes. So somewhere, if I am not free at that particular point of time, I always try to record my screen, and I always try to listen those things which whatever was taught by my teacher. And this is a communication and a collaboration of a teacher and a student. Like one of my companion here from you guys, someone said like it is very easy for the student to ask their doubt. Yes, it is very easy for the student to ask their doubt in online classes too. It's not at all difficult for anybody. Like it brings education to right to your home. Like you can stay at your home and you can get your education done very easily. Thank you.
Oh, well done, well done. Manish.
A very good morning to all of you again. This is Manish Kumar, and I would like to put my views over the topic offline classes. First of all, study environment is there. Study environment you cannot find in the online classes, but you can find this in the offline classes, because we can study by being with the friends, and we can focus on the teacher, what the teacher is teaching, instead of what the teacher is doing the formality. And we can ask our doubts personally with the teacher on that point of situation also. And second thing, discipline. Discipline is there because as my dear friend said that if the person is coming late, so the person
If person comes
time,
late.
so that person can value the time. And discipline is over there by the co-curricular activities also, because in sports you need the discipline, in studies you need the discipline, and these two things are going to come in the offline classes only. Third thing, regular competition. Regular competition is there in offline classes, because you see your companions, you see your competitions going ahead. आपसे आगे जा रहे हैं.
They are going ahead of you.
They are going ahead of you, and then you will also push yourself to go ahead of them. Then there's regular competition over there in offline classes in my concern. And fourth, learning of various skills. You can learn the communication skills, personality development, and interaction. Interaction is very important in our life. As you will step out from your school, the interaction is the first thing that which will be needed to enhance, to present yourself in front of your companions, in front of your teachers. So I think interaction is going to be only learned by the offline classes. Online classes doesn't have any interaction and communication skills too. No more gadget addiction. As we have also taken the online classes, we have got the phone addiction, various electronic devices addiction. The person is having classes, but on the side they are playing PUBG and all, and these are all going on in online classes. And I think this is not there in offline classes. If the person is coming in the class, then the person needs to be studied, because the teacher is going to punish if the student is not going to study in that class. Yeah, and some disadvantages of online classes are also there, because technical issues can be happen in the online classes, as we have already taken that sometimes the technical issues occurs in online classes, because of the internet connection, or the teacher's link is not proper, the student.
That's it. Sejal. Fizz up.
Good morning, one more present here, and I am in favor of online classes. I think one of the most best advantage of online education is networking opportunities. we can get a chance to connect with our peers and from different countries also. And we have option of rapid solution also. For example, if we have an exam and we are not able to get school at that time, we can search on Google and or YouTube. We have lots of example of online like Byju's, Vedantu, YouTube, and so many examples. And nowadays we can also see that online education is on very large scale. It is expanding. Since 2 years we are seeing in pandemic situation.
For 2 years.
For 2 years we are staying in pandemic situation. Online education is one of the best way through which people and children are continuing their education. And
That's it. Yes. Sejal.
Hello everyone, I am in the favor of offline classes. As we know, in recent time we are taking online classes. Okay, but it's good in pandemic situation. You can take online classes and it's helping us. I'm okay with it. But I'm in the favor of offline classes. I would like to say that in offline classes, the teacher's interaction with their student is far much better there than online classes, in which teacher can clear your doubt easily, and in online classes you cannot be able to interact your teacher face to face. In online classes, what's happened? There is a very poor connectivity of internet issues. There are so many internet issues there because, as we know, in small town areas there are less and not stable internet connection are there. So that will be destroy the studies of the student. And in offline education, but you will be able to speak and interact with the teacher. In the offline classes, you will not feel of isolation by individual. You cannot feel the isolation by individual because in offline classes you will connect with your students, your companions, and you can do a group discussions. You can your work done with group, because in doing in the group, your communication skills will be developed and will be more helpful for your further future times. And in offline classes, you will also see so many things that you cannot not able to apply in the online education. There are so many curricular activities is there in offline classes. You can enjoy and you can be able to choose in the offline education. But in online education is not there. And in online education is the most important aspect. I want to say this: the long screen time, attending long screen time, because attending screen timing very long, it will harmful for our health also and harmful for our eyes also. This is not good, but it is okay. But for some time you can use online classes. But as per, in my opinion, offline classes better than online classes, because in which we can easily connect with their teachers and companions also.
Well done. Sejal, make eye contact. Yes, Akshita. अब मैं बोलूँगा नहीं, बैठना है अपने आप से, ठीक है?
Alright, so there was very much of common point which are coming from your team. So very first point on which I just want to place emphasis on, that punctuality. That punctuality is there in offline classes. You will, if you are not coming on time, you will be effaced from your school, from your colleges, and rest of the things. But punctuality is also there in online classes. If you are not coming on time, your teacher will not let you in the classes.
Yes.
It is happening all the time. It has happened with me also all the time. Okay? Like second thing I wanna say, that personality development. Now, from your team member, here is a point which is mentioned that personality development would be there in offline classes, interaction would be there. I want to ask one question. If personality development is there till your traditional class learning, so why most of the people are going to online medium for watching Sandeep Maheshwari videos on personality development? This question will arises. Why so many people are still joining personality development classes for getting their personality improved? If personality development is there in the teaching skill, why everyone is going there? Right? And second thing, it's like a very important thing. You are saying that people, you can just ask the doubts in offline classes in the blink of an eye. expeditiously you can ask the doubt. In offline class, in online classes, these kinds of things are also there. I think there are so many tools which are there in the application which are you people are not aware of. There is an unmute and mute system. You can unmute yourself and can ask the doubt whenever you want. It's not like that. And your people that is very much of common and hackneyed, and the 5 point is there that your doubts is gonna be clear in offline classes more. But I want to say one thing, you cannot just go, a teacher cannot go into the mind of a student. If a person and a student is not mentally listening to the teacher, then no one can just force that person. If a person is physically present, that doesn't mean he is listening from their mind also. Thank you.
Yes.
I would like to mention here some of my points. Like whenever you go to school and etc., there are some activities like yoga, exercises, and dance activities, aerobic activities, and etc. While just through online platform, there is no one there to keep an eye upon you. The student is not performing good steps. The student is not performing correctly. So the teacher can immediately tell him or inform him or her that you are not performing your steps perfectly. So he or she can correct them easily at that very particular point. And you are saying the interaction is the very most important thing. Why we are emphasizing on this particular thing? Because most of the people are becoming introvert by just studying through the online platforms. Why this is happening? Because we are living at only our home only. And in the online platforms, there is a screen and you only. There is no connection, no social interaction between you and any other person. Because while we are in the school or in the offline learning, there are lots of people, lots of friends are there. We can enjoy over there. We can have also our learning as well. And you just said that there are different systems in the online platforms. I would like to mention here that there is no issues in the offline classes. There is not like that our voice will break at that very particular moment. No, in the offline classes. You can just raise up your hand, the teacher can see you, and immediately you will stand and will answer. There is no any hard steps you need to take to ask a question. But in the online classes, if you are living in the remote areas, very far areas, in the villages and etc., where there is no internet connectivity, in the hilly regions as well. So there the internet connectivity issue is very much there. And if the person is not having the distance, if the person is doing the distance learning, so he will definitely face difficulties while learning any question or while just putting up his point of views. And the fourth point I would like to mention here, as the screen timing is there. Like whenever you see on a particular screen, so there are some harmful rays which are there through the mobile. For everything we use mobile. And also for the studies we will use mobile. Means to say there are 4 or 5 hours study, so we are definitely gonna study through the mobile only. And if you are studying through only the electronic devices, so your mind will also not work sharply as much as you will interact with others, you will do things, you will try to find out some solutions of the problems while doing practically, and that will help you enhance your mindset, your skill sets more and more. But in the online classes, you will not do anything, you will not be doing any particular thing like that, and you will just only be occupied in just only those things. I know that there are pre-recorded lectures over here, but also there are extra classes which can be arranged in the offline classes. The teacher can just tell the students that if anyone has a doubt in it, so he can go there and ask. In the online classes, if the network connectivity will not be there of one student, the teacher will say to him, and another one will come up with the same problem. The teacher will just be engaged in just solving the problems, the internet connectivity issues, which itself has no solution to it at the last. But in offline classes, there is no problem such like that. The teacher is standing over there, there is a green board or a black board, students are in front of him or her, and he is just teaching him. And anybody can ask doubt, and there is no problem in that. And it is running from a long period of time, so definitely there must be some points that it is still learning. And why we are just occupying the online learning over here? Because there is a pandemic and etc. And still lots of students are facing it, and our education system is deteriorating just because of this online platform. Because students are just copy pasting the materials from the Google and etc. And they are not applying their own minds. But in the offline classes, offline exams, the teacher is there, the invigilator is there, you have to write by your own only. Yeah, I know there is a little bit cheating, but not that much as much as in the online learning.
Yes, Monica.
There is firstly I would like to clarify you here, Tushar, that there is an open book test are going on nowadays.
Yeah.
So teachers are also acquainted with this thing that they are going to do cheating in their exams. So that's why they are conducting open book exams. So I do agree with your things, like there is a cheating, but this is the only thing which is asked by the teachers and others, those who are head. And I would like to counter Sejal here. Sejal, in this pandemic, you were saying like in town areas, in the hilly areas there is no pandemic like in Delhi or in rural in urban areas which like the pandemic, the problems which we are facing in urban areas, there is no problem in town areas. Like you can go, like the people, those who are in Delhi, those who are in other areas, they're going back to their home because there is no pandemic. They're not even using masks and there is no cases related to pandemic. There is no holidays of the schools too. Like in my village, all the students of my village are going to their schools, they're attending their schools, institution timings and tuition, all the things very easily. They are not at all face any problem regarding at the time of this pandemic. So you guys were talking about this pandemic time, there is no internet connection, there is nothing. There are everything which is available now at this time. Now at every places there is internet connection and you have to find the ways by yourself like how you have to take your classes. And second thing I would like to counter here, Manish, there is a competition and co-curricular activities you guys are talking about. Now also there in online classes, there is co-curricular activities are there like dance classes, yoga classes, games classes. It just depends on a teacher how he is going to take that class. Like at your home also, he is just trying to make you play the games which is related to your mind. Chess, ludos and everything is there on online classes too. Dance classes are also conducted. Like please go and check the timetable of the children, those who are at your home, those who are taking the classes of class 6 or 7. They are also having the same timetable which they are following at their school time, offline classes.
बहुत अच्छे yes yes
Like again and again you are saying this point like traveling is there. Yeah, I consider traveling is there. So like okay, how much, just keep this in your mind, how much we are paying or how much we are consuming traveling, because traveling is there, yeah, in offline classes, but online classes you are also need, you know, this is
you also
Wi-Fi.
need
You also need Wi-Fi connection, which is also not totally free. You are not getting it free of cost. You are getting your money here also. And the third thing, the first thing I would like to say, like in the pandemic situation, people are like they are having their exam, but they are not having any kind of knowledge. So like what is the exigency of they are getting very good marks. They are not having any kind of knowledge, but because of the online classes, this thing is happening because we are not able to go the offline. If suppose there would be exam which would be conducted by the offline classes, so that kind of situation won't be there, which is happening in online classes here. They are just copy paste everything and getting a very good mark with fly number. Okay. And the one thing I would like to say that gadget is required more a lot here. Suppose about those people who are from the very poor background, who are having many kind of issue, even they don't have food to stomach their fill their stomach properly.
satiate their appetite.
Satiate their appetite properly. So how it is possible for them to take, or for online classes we need a mobile phone, a laptop or any kind of gadget which is not possible for them. But if we talk about the offline classes they can directly go there. Government, your net connection has finished at the without like you are taking your classes and suddenly your net pack has finished. So if lots of question is going on in your mind, in your heart, so with whom you will ask, where you will go. So but it is not happening in the offline classes. In offline classes, like okay, time is finished, your school time has over, but still your teacher is there. You can go personally, you can go with your teacher and ask the question, whatever question you are having. So
yes
So my dearest opponent, Aisha, this is very hypothetical points which you have just mentioned here, that your data can be finished anytime. Not all the time it's going to happen that okay, I am taking class, my data is finished. I am taking class, my data and the light is finished. And also if you're telling that your teacher would be there in offline classes, you can go and ask the question from the teacher. That thing is also there in online classes. Nowadays, teachers are providing their numbers and their platforms so that they can just teacher and the student can interact with each other and can just ask their queries on. And I have listening same point, hackneyed point again and again, that is your like in urban area, in the rural areas, in the villages, town, network isn't there. These things are there, technical glitches are there. So I really want to make you aware that now most of the means are India is developing day by day, and now everyone is having gadgets, and also the government is providing laptops to the student. And one more question, your people are saying offline classes are better. Alright, let me ask you a question. In in a villages area, there is a long distance between your college and your home, between your school and your home. So at that particular point, a person has to go so far for just having an education, for just getting their education done. In that case, most of the girls have to face so many heinous crimes as well, which is happening in your in town areas as well. And you are saying that town villagers are not having any access to so that they can just study and they can just ask the questions.
For having themselves educated.
For having
I
themselves
want to say
educated. So very first point that everyone is using TikTok. Every people they are using TikTok. Every person is using TikTok and all. So for this they are having gadget, and for the study they aren't having gadget. One more point I want to just counter on Tushar, that he was saying, okay, if a person is in the online classes, so they have to engage themselves more on gadget. I want to ask one question. If there are online classes, suppose offline classes are only there, so is there any guarantee that person would not involve in gadget? As I've seen you outside the institution, you are busy in playing PUBG.
Yeah.
You were also, your eyes were also getting affected by the radiation which is being provided by the mobile phone. So what's your call upon it?
Yes, Manish.
Okay, I want to say one thing that you are saying about internet connection. I'm okay with it. Okay, you are saying internet connection are there in rural and urban areas. But can you tell me one thing that when we
Rural.
in urban area I'm talking about, or in a rural area I'm just talking about online classes. When our exam is conducted in online classes, what's happened? You have to give it a time for a 4 hours, and then half an hour, 1 hour it's for the uploading time. But at that time there are thousands of people, thousands of students are there that are uploading at the same time, and there is an error. I want to tell you, my exam was there and I have done all my 4 questions, but because of some errors at that time I'm not able to upload my
I was not
question.
able to.
I'm not able
I
to
was.
upload my question. There was a thing I was not able to. My one question was left because of the error. And if we're talking about that, there is an email process, or you're thinking about that, we can send this, but there is not this. That will not happen. I emailed them, but they would not check it that much that clearly, because in this. Because if I am not able to all my questions will not able to upload it, so what will happen to me? If I will got fail in the exam, then what will do?
Yes.
I want to counter him that he says that people are playing PUBG and all in between online
Only
classes.
Manish is going to speak after that.
People are playing PUBG in online classes. If a person is not serious with their future and career, then why can't we blame their online classes? Because if a person is playing PUBG and all in between online classes, that means she or she is playing fast and loose with their future only.
Yes.
Why they can blame online classes for this? And suppose you all are exam for next day, what you will do? Do you go for offline classes, or you will search on Google or take online classes help?
Yes.
Dear madam, that's what I am talking about.
Yes.
That's what I am talking about. The online classes require self-discipline more as compared to the offline classes.
Yes.
The person needs to be maintain discipline in his life for just having acquainted with all the classes, all the periods. And if the person is playing PUBG aside their classes, then the person is not going to be acquainted with what the classes are going on. And second point, I would like to counter Ms. Monica. She said that co-curricular activities includes dances and all. Can you tell me that you can learn dance from online class?
No, I
Not
also learned.
Not at all.
No,
You
you're wrong here.
can learn biological process or through online classes.
What is this biological process in dancing?
It's a
How can you
practical
do
level.
how can you
Yeah.
do biological progress in dancing?
You can do physical experiments, chemical experiments through online classes. You can you do that? No, na. But in this thing you would require offline classes, and the practical needs to be there. You cannot, as my dear friend mentioned, that you cannot drive the plane by just having the online classes done. And
Yes, sir.
and in online classes the the person is easy to lose his is not easy to lose his focus due to the notification. There are a lot of notifications coming during the classes. The one notification comes, then the person is going to see that, oh my God, what my girlfriend has sent, oh my God, what my boyfriend has sent, then this is going to be there in more in online classes. And third thing, the dangerous future for youth, as online classes was the side option in pandemic session, because the person cannot attend the classes due to the COVID, because it's a virus. It can spread over in air, and that's why it was a side option. But here now the government is also opening the schools, opening the colleges, just because they also know that online classes are not going to work. This is the danger future for youth.
Yes.
And second thing, not affordable for many. What about the backward classes students? They don't have. They get 1.5 GB data, which is going to be finished in just 3 or 4 in just 3 or 4 classes of their period of their schools. And then what they're going to do? They have nothing. They can't study, because the net is required to study at all the time, because they are having the online classes. And then prevention of cheating
Monica,
is difficult.
Monica, yes.
So Mr. Manish, just you already beat around the bushes. Now I would like to rectify you here. You are talking about co-curricular activities. Have you visited any dance class at the time of pandemic? I guess no. There is, at the time of pandemic too, dance classes are conducted through online process. It's not like that it is shuttered or they are not having any type of things to eat, but they are conducting. So there is no biological process, but at least they are just conducting and they are earning. At the time of pandemic, sir also conduct online classes. So at that time we were very much focusing. Because if we were having any type of doubts, we were very easily asking sir about like that, what is this sir? We didn't get that thing somewhere. Tushar was also there. I guess why you were taking online classes if you are not getting anything from that? You were interacting and may I complete please?
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
And you were talking about
After that,
impacting
Tushar
people,
is
those who are not able to afford those things like online classes and all. At least they can recharge their phone, they can study with the help of YouTube. Like YouTube never cost a single amount. Like sir is posting a lot of videos through which we are learning lot of words in very very easily. So it is very easy for us to learn without giving any money to sir. And you know about offline classes, there are a lot of students those who are from government school and they bunk their classes, and it is very easy for them to just go in the school and just step out from the school after 15 to 16 minutes, right? After giving an attendance. So what is this? Are they getting knowledge from there? I don't think so. They are getting knowledge from there. They are also bunking their class, as you were saying that at the time of online classes people are playing PUBGs and all. That just depends on a student. That's what we are trying to say.
Very good.
now
Yes,
just-
Tushar.
I would like to say a single point. Like you all were saying that sir provided us with different words and vocabularies also. And we
Vocabulary
just
words.
compare your situation. Like through online learning, whenever you were doing the things and whenever you were doing them offline, so which will you consider better? Just I am asking you a simple question. Just yes, answer me in yes or no. That which one you will prefer? Like you are learning better through online platform or you are learning better through offline platform? Just answer me this.
Yeah.
Maybe just say yes or no, simple.
No, I don't think it just depends on a person.
I
I think
said
you
just
can take
if
an
I-
example. No,
it's
you
just a
can take
question
an
in yes or no,
example
I
of
asked.
Muskan. She is here and she is learning everything regarding her SSC through online process only.
Okay,
She is
okay,
not
okay,
attending any
okay.
type of institution and she got passed in one exam.
Okay,
Also.
okay. Now second point I would like to say here. Like whenever we are speaking something through online platform, sir will not able to acknowledge what the person
Won't be able to.
the gestures of that student, which is required the most. The physical
We were
like
doing voice
how
modulation, role plays at the time.
Sir also knows, we also knows how
We
much
also know.
difficulties we were facing through the online platform while learning. Well, you have to be you have to be an anchor, and you are learning through online platforms by being seated at that particular place. So it is cannot be happening. Like the third
Cannot
point I would
happen.
like to mention here, some of the activities, some of the courses are there which require some physical attendance, being physically present or offline. Like I would also mention here, you say that dance activities, etc., co-curricular activities are there, and you just only want to sharp your mind. Physically, you are just like loose, and physically your hands are not working. That will be good, but you should be mentally sharp and etc. You know, whenever you are physically strong, so you can do anything you want. But if you are mentally strong but not physically able, so your mind will also know. Your mind also go begging. You will not be able to anything. But if you are physically strong, if you are doing physical activities by the offline classes, so you can do much better things in comparison to the online classes. In the online classes, you are saying that each and everyone has a better connectivity. But sorry, the reports are saying that 22% of the people still are not having smartphones. They are not having good internet connections. If they are not having good internet connection and they are not having good smartphones, I think the people who have done the survey, they have not done the survey here. Like in this world, they have done the survey in another planet, I guess. And another point I would like to mention over here, like the online platforms, the TikToks and etc. You are giving the examples. But I would like to mention over here, India's population is 1.3 billion crores, and I don't think so 1.3 billion crores are posting their videos. Only some of the people are posting their videos, and even the lakhs are appearing to be in the very large number, which is not such a large number. So just being clarified on those numbers. And the last point I would like to say here is the lack of practice-based learning. Practice-based learning mean to say those people who do not have equipments. The laboratories are not at our home. The equipments are not at our home. We cannot have everything at our home. We requires to be there only. If the student is poor, is not having the equipments, the school and college is providing, but the online platform, you will be only sitting at your home, but there will be no equipments for you, so there will be no practice for you. So definitely the study will go waste. The study will not be so much effective because you need to practice on that particular thing. So that's why lack of gadgets and equipments the students will face through online platforms, and only they will be mentally sharp, physically loose.
Oh, well done. Yes, Akshita.
Alright. So, you are saying, actually, suppose, take example, if there are leaders who just want to do interaction across the world, then at that time, what would you do if you are just preferring offline classes? So what at that time, what would happen? They cannot do the interaction. They cannot just make their budget as a whole. So at that time, suppose if you want to just learn some skills which is being provided in USA only, right? At that point, what would you do? Okay, you would wait and you would just wait for the teacher from coming from far away to that USA to your place for just getting you some education and all. Talking about the dancing, like curricular activities and all. Alright. Now this much of thing and this much of benefit is also provided in online classes as well, as my dearest friend has already been mentioned. The third point which I want to say here, practicality. Means practical classes, equipments, gadgets and everything. Okay. Till now, when Corona was not there, more that much emphasis was there on the offline classes, on the online classes, right? So at that time, everything was going on. Laboratories were going on, practical classes were going on. Okay, from anybody, how many engineers and how many doctors you got? These classes are only done for the formality. You're having a class, but at that particular time, teacher is not going to be there. Then what would you do? You're talking about the disciplines and all, right? So at that particular point, and also one more point which was mentioned by my dear opponent Manish. Self-discipline. He already given his answer on self-discipline.
Yes.
That you have given that self-discipline required more in online classes as compared to the offline classes. That is what I all you to know and aware and acquainted with. That self-discipline is important. All the time, no one gonna poke you all the time. That you have to study, you have to go school, you have to do rest of the thing. You have to do the things by your own only, and that is the only thing which we can learn through the medium of online classes, where we become most of the time self-dependent, self-conscious. We just start thinking about ourselves. So here, I feel that online classes are better than the offline classes. And if you people are all supporting offline classes, so in that Corona period, when there was a great destruction, when there was a pandemic, why were you not asking from your government, government, please provide me physical classes? Why are you just being a part of online classes only when it wasn't that much good?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
Aisha.
Monica, Akshita,
Akshita.
you have to clear your point. At that time, you are talking about the pandemic situation, right?
Yeah.
At that time, online classes at that moment. Okay, why don't you understand this point? And now, Monica, I would like to counter you that you are telling about we are taking the dance classes through the online classes, right? But you have to clear this thing that okay, we are taking about how much we are learning from that. It is only the method for that to earning the money by you, because at the time of Corona, at the time of pandemic, there was no offline classes. I agree, I associate with your point. So that is, they just got the opportunity to earning the money to run their business. That's why they are doing, because at least that something is better than nothing. That's why people are taking, and that's why they are just getting a huge amount of money. And the other point which has been disclosed by the Akshita, that the rural area, like there is a very far away school is. So like girls is not, they are suffering to get the education a lot. Okay, yeah, I agree. When they are not able to go to the school, so by being at home, how they will get to know each and everything? Means when they are not going to school, they don't know what is the meaning of education. They don't know how we can use these kind of accessories. How there are such a application out there from which we can learn. They don't know when they are not going to school, when they are not having any kind of knowledge. So how they will get to know this thing? And my other point is that like we are taking online classes, so by being at home, so that means you are not only taking the knowledge, but also you are taking the lots of diseases inside of you, because while sitting, you are not doing any physical activities. There is nothing to laugh, right? There is no anything like where you are going, wherever you are going to take class while driving. That means physical activity is there. So like there is less chances that you are there are less chances that you are getting diseases. But like when you are just sitting at one place and doing your work whole the time, so yeah, there are high chances to get lots of kind of diseases. And another point is that like communication skills is it has become a very gargantuan. If a person who is having communication skills, that means that person is a very top of the moon, or he is getting lots of
at the top of the moon, at
he
the
is
top of the
getting
world.
Top of the
World.
So he is getting everything. So from where we are learning the communication skills at the offline method, like online method of the offline method, because when you are going, your teacher is there, your companion is there. If you are feeling hesitate to ask anything,
If you
to
are
your
feeling
teacher,
hesitated
to asking anything to your teacher, so at that time your companion is also there. You can ask, you can take the help of them also. And there is a one example I would like to share with you, like
yes, Fiza.
How can you say if a girl is not going to school, then he or she is not able to use mobiles and phones, etc. In my family, my grandmother and grandfather are members. They never went school in their childhood, but they are using mobile phones.
How much they are using?
They are able to use.
Just make a call and just say hello, hi, how are
They
you?
can search on Google. There are lots of options in mic. They can speak in mic and ask for anything.
Yes.
They are using.
Fiza, complete your points. Complete your points.
And there are lots of things. And one thing, like he says that. Tushar says that online classes is not helping to motivate a person.
Are not helping.
Like in our batch, there is a person Mahesh. He is here for 3 or 4 months. But sir has already asked that like sir has videos डालते हैं.
Sir actually put the videos in the group.
And they itself says that videos help him very much for motivating himself.
Okay. Yes, Manish.
Sir, I would like to counter Miss Akshita here. Sir, she said that discipline she was talking about the discipline. Can you tell me that? Can you establish the discipline in the primary school student who is having online classes? That student is not able to attend the classes with certain discipline. His or her parents needs to be there with him, with the student, and this type of discipline should be there. But what about the student? What about their parents? Their parents also have work. In pandemic also they have to work because they have to run their family, and they have to they have to do work for their family, so they don't have time to just be with their child every time while having online classes. So while sending, so we can just contribute our time, or we can just save our time by sending our children to the offline classes, because the teachers are there to take care of our children. But this is not there in online classes. That what the discipline offline classes have. And second thing, bad for children online classes, because as primary school students are having online classes, so the online classes are just affecting their eyes. Their eyes are going to be affected more, because the screen is in front of their eyes, and then UV rays are there. A lot of rays are emitted by the mobile phone or the screen or the electronic devices from it, and so the eyes are going to be more affected with the children, and the children is going to be more addicted to the phone and the electronic devices. Instead of playing, he's just playing a PUBG and all. He's addicted to the games, video games. He's addicted to the funny videos on the mobile phones, and this is the disadvantage that the online classes have, that the addiction of mobile is very harmful for the children. And third thing, laptops. Someone was mentioned that government has
mentioned that.
Giving laptops. Government is giving laptops. They are giving laptops, but what about the internet connection? There is no internet connection in the person home. Then what is the exigency of giving the laptop? Mobiles. So I would like to counter this only.
Yes, Akshita.
So when everything is initiating, at that time problem occurs. Whenever you are learning new things, whenever you just came into here, means you were just learning English, so at that time also you were facing so many problems. But it's not like that, you are going to face the same problem again and again until your life period. Same thing happened in the online class as well. When it was initiated for the very first time, it's not like that it has initiated in recent only. It has been initiating for a long period of time. But now the emphasis is more till from when the lockdown period has been imposed. So now things are getting clear. I want to just clear this thing. 5G is also coming, 4G is also there. Network is day by day also improving. And it's not like that all the time you can say a network is not there, that network is not there. Second thing, very most and very hackneyed point which you all are beating around the bushes, that is point that, like radiations would be there, technical glitches are there, your eyes are going to be affected. One question again and again I'm repeating, I think you are not having, or you are not listening to me properly. You have to just listen to me with more concentration. I'm asking this question to you, Manish, that suppose if there are offline classes only, okay, till that period when Corona was not there, only offline classes were there in India, right? At that time, like people were not infected by the UV rays, they were not using a phone, they were not using the technology, they were not using anything, they were not playing the games. Oh my god, this is the thing what you want to say, tell me. One thing I want to say, diseases. I'm coming to you, dear Aisha. Okay. So that diseases means if you are just sitting at your home, so many diseases are going to be going to affect you. And if you are just going to the offline classes, physical activities is more. Okay. If you are just this period only when Diwali was there, pollution was there, and suppose you are going for taking the admission, like you are going for taking your education to the offline classes. In offline classes, you can get so many pollutants. Here also, you can get so many diseases. Although, if you are just going to the offline class, you are taking offline classes, then also you can get so many diseases. You are just sitting with the people. So, suppose, how would I get to know that that person is having viral diseases? I can get infected, right? In this online classes also, where you are interacting, you can get diseases. Second thing, you are saying that peer support you will get, means students, like if you are sitting in the online classes, you can just get support from offline classes. I just want to get one thing clear, that when you are just learning in the physical era, in the physical place, people can also bully you, and so many people have committed this suicide just because of this thing, because they were just bully pressure, peer pressure was there. They were saying, they were just body shaming also at that time. How can you handle those things? So you cannot say you're just beating around the bushes. You cannot say that although you are taking offline classes, you are just free and you are fit only. You cannot say this.
Yes, Atisha.
As you mentioned, like the people are committing more suicides.
People are committing
more suicides, and like etc. problems are there. Like they are being body shame and etc. Like these activities are there in like just because of these things, for these things, the people, the God has made the teachers. For these things, the God has made some instructors. But in the online classes, what happens, what's usually happening in the online learning, like some of the parents, like father is working, the mother is there. The mother is usually, everybody's mother are not that much educated, as I say. But and they are also don't know that what the child can just he can just switch the tabs immediately. Like mother is coming to see whether his child is studying or not, he will just show that class section. And when the mother will go, he will just turn out to that section, the entertainment section.
Yes.
So switching on to the internet entertainment section is very much easier in the online platforms, even now also. And the second point I would like to say here, like there are so much arguments and the excuses are there. Sir, I am not better in cameras. Like we are so much poor. Our mobile is having very low camera. Graphics are very low. I would not be able to show my face. Sir, sorry for that. Just because to get the to do the cheating from the Google.
Yes.
But in the offline classes, you are not ready. You have no excuses for that.
Yes.
You are sitting over there. You have to give the exams. The teacher will examine you, and that's the particular thing which you will do over there. You will have no excuses. So now in the online learning as well, after when the online learning started, we have seen the education system getting dipped day by day and day by day. As you were saying, that the practicality improves the person's whole body structure and etc. And if you will not be able to show off yourself totally, so definitely people will not be able to know that who you are.